Use the word casually, establishment. Why don't we use the word honestly, army? And how political parties have been hounded. So I think it started with the elections of the Pakistan People's Party, which let me just
उससे पहले भी जा सकते हैं,
बहुत पहले जा सकते हैं. At least when I was had I mean we can go to Ayub Khan and all that, वहाँ से भी जा सकते हैं. But जब पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज वाजे तौर पे आ गई, अयूब खान का तो खैर आप वहाँ जाना चाहें वहाँ चले जाते हैं, मगर इन recent memories and those political parties which exist today, let's put it this way, the first brunt was received by the Pakistan People's Party. The sword was, I think, the symbol तलवार. फिर वो पहले non-party election ये वो वगैरह हो गया. फिर the second brunt, then the parliamentarians and various other things. Then the second brunt was the Pakistan Muslim League. But be aware of the fact who was in government then. Today, was there a Supreme Court which had taken PCO oaths, judges, any action will not be challenged. So we must bear in mind those were far more difficult times.
Yes.
There's no comparison. Maybe you can say, yes, it continues today. You may say so. But today, your opponents are not in government.
They're not.
We use the word casually, establishment. Why don't we use the word honestly, army? There does not apparently appear to be any interference. You may allege there is, but you know the overt kind of stuff, unless you point out, matters are coming, the elections are not being held. It was your own petition we argued, which we pressed it in 12 days. We got the date, you were happy, everybody was happy when. So access to courts is there. It's not that nobody allowed you to file. Making allegations on the media or outside unnecessarily undermines constitutional institution, which does not mean you should not make these allegations if they are true. Now, the very same election commission has issued you the notice to hold elections as far back when you were in government. Can you start from there? What was the malafide then? Please read that notice, the first one, because that, from a timeline point of view, that will be very important. Because if we have to gauge whether suddenly the euphemism that is used